This is the schedule of my free online chemistry workshop for February 2026. It's on February 2nd, February 9th, and February 23rd. We do not have workshop on February 16th. The time is 6 p.m. in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Manila. If you're from Seattle, that would be 2 a.m. Students from other country, you can join also. You're welcome. Is on Zoom and is free. We are going to cover a chapter in chemistry called the atomic structure. This is a very important topic in chemistry. This chapter will help you understand other important chapters in chemistry later on, like bonding and periodicity. If you understand this, it's easy for you to understand the other chapters. And some more, there are some chemistry lessons that you learn from your teacher in secondary school that you need to revise again. For example, this is the electronic configuration of sodium. You have all the proton and neutron at the center, and the center of the atom is called the nucleus. And the nucleus looks like this. It's not a perfect sphere. Instead, it's made up from a lot of smaller spheres. You have 11 protons and 12 neutrons. Total is 23 smaller spheres. The protons are positively charged. They're supposed to repel each other. That means that the nucleus of an atom would be very unstable, right? They should explode. Why does all the protons join together at the center to form a nucleus? This thing does not make sense. Did your chemistry teacher last time teach you the wrong thing? Yeah, you should ask her or him last time, right? But if you didn't, we are going to discuss this during the workshop. It helps with your chemistry understanding. This is my Zoom link. The meeting number is 337-275-3433. We are going to use the online whiteboard. Apps, the name of the apps is Miro. Is a very good application. You can write things there. You can write. Or you can draw also on your tablet or iPad or handphone. So please download all this. Please download this Miro on your gadget there. Or if you're using laptop, you can do that also. But you need when you write, you need to use mouse, which is a little bit difficult. It's good. I can see your answer. You can see my explanation. If you make mistake, I can easily find out that you make a mistake. Then I can explain your mistake easily. Because you can draw. Because you can draw there. Yeah. Please book your seat by email. This is my email address, cecilsie@gmail.com. Or if you have WhatsApp, you can WhatsApp me at this number, 65. That's the country code for Singapore. 9628-1754. Please join if you can. It's free. It's only 1 hour. Please join.